Today I'm going to walk you through making a perfectly organized collage in Photoshop 2025 using a super simple grid with placeholders. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clean, customizable photo collage great for social media, portfolios, or even as a framed print. No messy overlapping, no uneven spacing, and no guesswork about where each picture should go. Ready? Let's get started right away. First up, let's create a new document. Just head up to the File menu and select New. Here you can set up the dimensions based on how big you want your collage to be. Maybe you want a square layout for Instagram or a wider aspect if it's going up on a website. It's totally up to you, so take a second to think about where your final collage will live. If you're not sure, a standard 1920 by 1080 pixels is a nice, safe bet for digital use. Now this next step is how you'll get that super clean, structured look. Setting up your guide layout, go up to View and choose New Guide Layout. In the box that pops up, check rows and columns, then enter how many sections you want. Maybe it's a 3x3 grid for 9 photos or 3 columns and just 1 row for a strip across your header. And here's a pro tip, take a moment to add a gutter. That's the little bit of space between each photo and it makes your collage breathe, so your images don't look crammed together. If you want something neat and modern, even a 20 or 30 pixel gutter can make a big difference. Before we actually start laying photos down, let's make sure things line up exactly where they should. Under the View menu, make sure both Snap and Snap to Guides are checked. This just means that any shapes you draw or photos you move will automatically align with the grid you just created, like having invisible magnets keeping everything tidy. It's one of those tiny tweaks that makes your life so much easier, especially if you're picky about precision. Alright, time for the placeholders. Select your rectangular frame tool. Think of these frames like picture slots. You're just drawing where each photo will eventually live. Click and drag to create frames that fill each section of your grid, snapping right to the guides. Don't worry if it takes a few adjustments to get them just right. You can always move or resize a frame before you pop in your images. Creating these frames not only makes the next step a breeze, it also gives you a visual preview of your layout, so you're never second-guessing where your pictures should go. Now for the fun part, adding your photos. Drag your images right from their folders onto the canvas and drop them directly onto the respective frame layers. Photoshop will automatically clip each picture into its place, as if you were sliding a photo into a physical frame. It's instant, and it means no more fighting with cropping or accidental overlapping. If you have a lot of pictures to add, this part might take a few moments, but it's totally worth it for the neat result. Lastly, you might need to nudge or resize your photos within their frames. To do this, just select a Photos layer. You can use the Move tool to reposition the image, or hit Ctrl+T on Windows or CMD+T on Mac to free transform it. Resize the image until it looks just right within the frame, then hit Enter. Take your time here. Sometimes a slight shift makes all the difference in getting your collage balanced and visually pleasing. And that's it, you've built a perfectly aligned, customizable photo collage using grids and placeholders in Photoshop 2025. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't hesitate to drop a comment if you have a question or a collage project you want to share. Make sure to subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, creative tips, and project ideas. Thanks for watching and happy collaging.